So first of all, conjunctions. Conjunctions are the joining words, as I told you before. The first type of conjunctions are coordinate conjunctions. They are used to join two clauses. Clauses are actually, they are complete sentences, and each clause has a verb of its own. Remember, no sentence of English language can be complete without a verb. Right? For example, look at this. She cooks. Subject, verb. Cook. You're ordering somebody. Right? जब मैंने आपसे कहा बच्चों could you bring a whiteboard marker and then I'm saying go. Right? Quiet. Write. Okay? So only verbs can give the complete meanings as well. Traffic की जो crossing होती है उससे पहले लिखा होता है stop. ये नहीं लिखा होता है you stop या all drivers stop or something. It is understood whoever is reading that board, it is meant for that person. या लाइब्रेरी में लिखा होता है ना be quiet. अब वो बुक्स के लिए तो नहीं लिखा हुआ है. It is written for anybody who is reading that board, right? Like this. So, for is both. Yes, write the sentence. I went to the doctor for I was sick. I went to the doctor for I was sick. Okay, now leave one line blank and write another sentence. I went to the doctor for medicine. Yeah. I went to the doctor for medicine. Good. Now underline for in the first sentence and in the second sentence as well. First sentence में ये किस तरह से use हो रहा है? As a conjunction, because there is a complete sentence afterwards. There is a complete clause afterwards, right? Second sentence में कासिर? It's a preposition. जब भी कभी for के बाद सिर्फ noun या pronoun आए, it would be a preposition. अगर पूरा clause होगा फिर वो it would be a conjunction. Got it? And no need to explain. I woke up and took shower. All right. Nor, yes. Nor आपने nor जो है ना, it's not like ये negation नहीं है. ये repeated negation है. मतलब ये नहीं है. ये ना ही है. इसका मतलब है इससे पहले कोई एक negation हो चुकी है, कोई एक negative word हो चुका है. I did not go to the college. Write down the sentence, please. Nor के सामने. I did not go to the college. Nor did Ali. Nor did Ali. I did not go to the college. Nor did Ali. Okay. Nor का कोई और सेंटेंस बताएं मुझे. कौन बताएगा? Late comers. Yes, come on. Late.
Metro station.
Oh. जी. नॉर का कोई सेंटेंस बताइए. अच्छा, ऐसे मौके पे कोई टीचर के साथ ना आई कांटेक्ट नहीं रखता है. टीचर ने क्वेश्चन पूछा ना, फिर बताया तो कोई आई कांटेक्ट नहीं करता कि मेरा आई कांटेक्ट किया तो मुझे क्या करा सर ने, क्या आपको पता? Yes. Nor. Anybody? Please raise your hands. Yes.
He is neither intelligent nor hardworking.
Okay. आपने अब उसके अंदर correlate conjunction use कर लिया है. That is pair of conjunction. Neither nor, either or, not only but also. नहीं. सिर्फ nor use करना है sentence में.
He was not prepared for the exam nor his study.
Yes. He was not prepared for the exam, nor was his friend. I don't like rice, nor do I like fish. Right? The पहले एक negative. I haven't visited Murray, nor have I visited Lahore. पहले haven't आ गया ना? तो whenever there is like a negative before, तो फिर आपने nor use करना है उसके साथ. All right? Okay. But whenever we have a contradicting statement, right? I went to the college, but it was closed. Yeah, I went to metro station, but metro wasn't operational, right? But is for contradicting statement. और हम कब use करते हैं?
For option.
Yeah, when we have to choose between two things, right? I'll go to Lahore or I will go to Murray. All right? Yet, when do we use yet? Okay. It's like the second row. Yet, chale, I'll give you the first sentence. It was raining. It was raining. Walk, park. It was raining, yet we went to the park for a walk. Right? Any other sentence? Yet. वैसे तो बड़ों को जवाब नहीं देना चाहिए, लेकिन टीचर्स को दे सकते हैं जवाब. Yes. आपको पता चाहिए. Yet. I have not taken breakfast. I have not taken breakfast. Not hungry. Yet I am not hungry. I have not taken breakfast yet. I woke up early. 5 minutes late. I woke up early, yet I reached 5 minutes late. So yet is like जिस तरह although की sense में use करते हैं ना, although, right? तो yet हम जो है वो उसकी sense में use करते हैं, फिर भी इसके बावजूद, even then.
The class has not started, but he has not arrived yet.
Yes, the class has not started, but he hasn't arrived yet.
Class is started, but he is.
Yeah, the class has started, but he has not arrived yet. Nasib, हमारी बात हो गई, right? So, yes, but he has arrived finally. Okay, so. So, I mean, tell the sentence so actually, yeah. You need some ₹100 निकाल के रखिए. Yes, so.
He wanted to buy books, so he went.
No. You have like already. Somebody else said that this thing. Okay.
I am not feeling better, so I am not going to college.
Okay, I'll kill you for that. Yeah, I am not feeling better, so I am not going to the college. Right? My mother wasn't well, so I decided to help her. Right? Na chahte hue bhi. Right? So I decided to help her. You know. Okay? So they are called coordinate conjunctions. यहाँ पे दोनों चीजें equal level की होती हैं. Both sentences are independent clauses. Second thing is subordinate conjunctions. Subordinate का मतलब क्या होता है? He is my subordinate. Waqas is my subordinate. या वजीर आला is my subordinate.
This is under Jodhar.
Yes, the one who's working under you या जो आपसे junior worker है कोई. तो subordinate conjunctions के अंदर क्या होता है? Independent clause plus dependent clause. And subordinate conjunction ही dependent clause बनाता है. Right?
Yes.
Look. Although he was sick, he went to college. अब look at this sentence. ये भी एक clause है. He was sick. verb है इसके अंदर. लेकिन ये इसके साथ subordinate conjunction लग गया तो इसने इसको subordinate clause बना दिया. Now this is subordinate clause. Right? So अब अच्छा अभी इसमें ये चीज हो सकती है कि this is dependent clause, this is independent clause. What you can do is you can like swap their places as well. अगर dependent clause पहले आएगी तो it would be always followed by a comma.
Yes.
Remember, it would always be followed by a comma. But if the independent clause would come in the beginning, तो वहाँ पे कॉमा नहीं लगेगा, वहाँ पे ये subordinate clause ही कॉमा का काम करेगी. He went to college although he was sick, right? इसके बारे में कोई hard and fast rule नहीं है कि पहले independent आएगी या dependent clause आएगी. Anything can come over there. लेकिन आपने जिसके साथ subordinate conjunction लगा दिया, तो वो फिर subordinate clause बन जाएगी, dependent clause बन जाएगी. Alright? Okay. Even. Subordinate conjunction, even. Make a sentence. Therefore, whenever, these are subordinate conjunctions. वो correlate conjunction में आएगा बताओ. जी, therefore, make a sentence of therefore. जी बच्चे, third row, last one. Yeah. Therefore.
He was late, therefore the teacher punished him.
He was
Late, therefore the teacher punished him.
सुनिए. He was late, therefore the teacher punished him. Punishment भी suggest करते हैं. That he should drink chocolates or something. Students आता है बोलेंगे. Okay, yeah. So yes, he was late, therefore the teacher scolded him. The teacher punished him. Right? Okay. Instead of make a sentence. आपको ये आप सारी गर्ल्स को तो डाल दी इस ग्रुप में, बॉयज भी आ गए शायद.
He could not pass it.
मैं आपको एक सेकंड ना आपको let me send you a picture here. Can you take out your cell phones? जी आपको पिक्चर आ रही है बच्चों? नहीं एक सेकंड मैंने भेजी नहीं. ग्रुप बना हुआ है? ECS batch 1 girls, ECS batch 1 boys. अच्छा. How should I send it to you guys? आप लोगों का वैसे ग्रुप बना हुआ है? Can you take this picture and send it to that group? आप लोग भी बना हुआ ग्रुप? कोई ग्रुप नहीं बना हुआ? किसी सब्जेक्ट का ग्रुप नहीं है? ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? तो बस उसमें भेज देना इसको विषय फॉर द टाइम बीइंग. आप ये आपके पास मोबाइल है ना? जस्ट टेक अ पिक्चर. आप भी पिक्चर ले. Look at these conjunctions, please. All right, can you see that?
Yes.
कितने लोगों के पास आ गई है pictures? Okay, have a look at those, please. आपने इसका बताना है. Comparison के अंदर first time वाला बॉक्स second row, first wala, green wala, next one, middle one, this. Yeah. You look at this one, manner. You look at the first one. Second. No, you have to make a sentence actually. इसमें जो लिखे हुए ना उनका sentence आपको करना है. आपको first one है, yours is second one. No, top. Second. Yeah. आपका turn. One, two, three. ये third one आपका, fourth one आपका, fifth, sixth, seventh. Yours is eighth, ninth. आपका first turn. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. You don't have the pictures. You have the picture?